Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to use Zoho Books. And after logging in, you'll land on the dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your business finances like receivables, unpaid invoices, and expenses. And on the left menu, you'll find options like sales, purchases, items, banking, accounting, reports, and documents, and time tracking. You can start by adding customers and products under sale and items, and you can enter bills and purchases and connect your bank accounts under banking to automate transaction tracking. And you can use documents to upload and organize your business files and track work hours with time tracking. Explore reports for detailed financial insights, and the dashboard and these modules together will help you manage your business efficiently. And that's all. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.